this game called Don't Press the Button. I think somebody already pressed the button by now. I think we have to find eggs. It's not easy right now. So, we have to... I don't know, okay? I don't know. What are you doing up here? Get down! Now! Okay. Haha, you can't jump. Haha, you can't jump. You're stupid. Good stuff. I only have 2 likes. So, I don't know what to do, so please, it's going to be a long video. I know. This is going to be long. I'm telling you, it's long. These people are really good at it. I don't think they've ever played it, but they're just really good. So, blah, 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 blah. I don't know why I did that. Even though this is Glass Bridge. It's not the jumping kind like in Squid Game. It's like these long ones and there's doors. You're like in a room and I don't know what. I don't know what. Just shut up! Oh, I know. You don't know who I am. But I'm crazy. You better watch out. Even though we just beat this. Oh, hi. What's up? Can you like for me? Okay, let's press this. Why are we dinos? What happened? Ah! Where am I? Where? Well, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm clicking you like a million times. Why can't I eat you? I'm a dino. You little boy. What's this? What is this? I am your king! Let go! I am your king. I'm your Let's find that girl again. Oh, I see you. You can run. Oh, I see you too. Oh, you can't run. I'm gonna find you. What? Let me eat. Oh. Nom. She just fell. Yeah! Sorry for being too loud. Sorry. I'm not a bad boy. I am a good boy. Sorry, I am dying. Ha! Okay. I'm still a dino. Why am I still a dino? Oh, I'm still a dino and he's gonna be cute. Oh, it's up. That's when you in faster. Run. It's so close to me. No! Help! Oh. Let me back down there. Now! Ah! Let me back. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Oh. This is easy. Let's just stay right here. Okay. What happened? Why is everything gray? And why can't I move? Let me move! No! Oh. I can move now. Oh, I do. Okay. So, You can't run. Let's press the button. Wait, what's happening? Nothing's happening. I'll look up. I don't want to look up. What happened? What happened? Oh, I have to. Why did not let me go over there? How dare you! You and me! Oh my God! I am God! I am your king! Sorry guys, but I'm being way too loud, as you can tell. We're close to the ending of this video, as you can tell. If you scroll, if you go down and do the scrolling button, you go to the end. We're close. Okay, I think it's like been a minute right now, and I'm still. How did I die? I didn't die. Oh, it's another one. Okay, it's really close to the ending, so let's go. I am going to die now. Please like and subscribe. Please. And you. Please. I want. You only have 2 likes. Oh my God. What? Somebody's hat. Somebody's hat. You gotta be kidding. Somebody's hat. Guys, there's so much. Whee! Whee! Ah! No! I have died. This is one of the most funniest games ever. I'm dead. Hacker! How does she still have that? Hacker! Wait! How do I get back down there? Let me down! Oh. I'm already down. Oh, let's go to that ice cream store. I think he's a good boy. He's not gonna freeze me. Like, that's alright. Please don't freeze me again. Alright, I'm gonna kill you. Ah! Let's go! I hate you. Oh yeah. Why? You are mad. I'm gonna kick you. Put my finger up your butt. Oh, that's why everybody was hiding behind me. They couldn't freeze you. Ice Monster, you're so stupid. You can't hide another one. Let's go. Why did I stop talking for a second? Even though it's really close to the end, and go down. Well, it's close. So, what is it now? What is going on? Let's press it. What's going on? Oh! Can I get you? Even though this is Dragon Combat Little, I am little, that's why I put it little at the end. As you can tell from my voice, I am little. I am Dragon Combat Little. Aw, I wanna be one of those good boys. Oh, what? Oh, it's one of these. Why is it disappearing? Why is it level? Are you kidding me, Bacon? Bacon, I'm gonna freaking kill